Good morning. We are at Bang Na Hills. Well, actually the entrance to it. We're just about to get into a cable car, I think. I've no idea what I'm doing today. I've just not been organised. I'm filming this, by the way, on my GoPro Hero7. Admittedly, this is the first time that I've used this GoPro for filming a video, so I guess we will see what footage comes out like. Hopefully good enough to do a video. But look at this, it's incredible. This hound lifting up the Golden Bridge, and as you can see, tourists like myself everywhere. You can see lots of people here, mainly Korean by the looks of it, but the hand looks so impressive as you're walking across the bridge. Gonna have to talk over this music so it doesn't get copyrighted on YouTube. But yeah, definitely worth coming to visit. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists, but that's to be expected. I don't know how high we are right now, but obviously a lot of the mist is blocking the view, but never mind, it's still beautiful. Good thing about this GoPro, you can get in some really good positions to film. So admittedly, I've not done any research at all about this place. I'm just wandering around and commentating on what I see. All these, well, I thought they were bananas, but not too sure what they are. Maybe chilies? Does anybody know what these are? As you will see as we are walking around the resort, there's a very much a French style here. You can see in the distance there the Buddha. I think we'll try and get a bit closer up to that. Right now we are in the Love Garden. Oh yes, loving the wide angle. And this here is the Fort Garden. Just breathing in all of that fresh air. Feels good. So quiet. Walking all the way down here does mean that I'll have to walk back up, but it's good exercise. Wow. First time I've said wow in a long time in 2018. Just got so stuck in my comfort zone and not been exploring the world enough. That's going to change next year. Another observation that I would add. Yes, it's a French resort. Yes, it's very touristy, but it's much cooler up here. And it's just worth coming to see these views. Hi mate, can you tell me where the hot dogs are? Really need some food. Now, trying to get some shots in as me so I can talk to you as I'm exploring. Might get too much of my body, which I'm not too sure if I like, but yeah, the wide angle lens should get some nice background views behind me. It's an impressive place. I know it's a tourist hotspot, I know, you know, it's commercial, it's not like it was here for thousands of years, but just to come in and see the views. That's a bit of a tighter shot, but yeah, we're going on the Golden Bridge and about to jump on the cable car. These figurines look a bit creepy. Well, it's looking like I've got a cable car to myself, which is brilliant. Yeah, we're heading up to the next station. There we go. That was good timing to get one for myself. So I've made a little bit of a mistake. I got in the wrong cable car and I'm now, I think, heading back to Da Nang. Well, to the station called Da Nang. I should have been going up, not down. What an idiot. I guess I'm gonna have to go down and come back up. It's just typical of me doing this. Shot of me in the gondola by myself going the wrong way. What an idiot. Whoa, whoa, that was a bit bumpy. That'll test out the stabilisation. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I am back, heading in the right direction. Woohoo! Bloody hell! Look at all this mist. So we're heading up now. Really misty. Yeah, I don't think I'll be in this area too much. It's quite busy, but yeah, it's good to have a walk around. I'm really craving hot dogs though, and I need a beer. Hello sir, where's the beer? Nobody's telling me where the beer is. I don't know if I've said this, but you need at least 2 full days to get all the way around here. It's absolutely huge. Roast beef, Yorkshire puddings, me and you tonight? No? Okay. Anyway, this place costs 700,000 Vietnamese dong as an entrance fee, which I think is fantastic value for money considering what's actually here. It's huge, is this place. Let's go and explore some more. Yeah, this place is just stunning. You can see a bit more of the mountains from here. I'm really hoping the GoPro is doing this justice because it's breathtaking.